Struggling to mirror your realme phone to a PC for better productivity or screen comfort? Whether for presentations, tutorials, or meetings, screen mirroring can boost efficiency. In this video, we'll explore 4 easy and reliable ways to mirror your realme phone to your PC without the hassle. Option 1. Screen mirror realme to PC via Screen Mirror Stable. How to guide. Download the program, connect your realme via USB, and select Transfer Files. Enable USB debugging in Settings. Install the screen mirror (PK), then start mirroring your phone. Option 2. Connect realme to PC for screen mirroring via projecting to this PC. On your PC, go to Settings, System Projecting to this PC. Add wireless display. Configure preferences. On your realme, enable Wi-Fi. Tap Screencast and select your PC to mirror. Option 3. Screen mirror from realme to PC using LetsView. Install LetsView on both devices and connect them to the same Wi-Fi. Open LetsView on your PC. Note the connection code, then enter it on your realme phone. Tap Phone Screen Mirroring and Start Now to begin mirroring. Option 4. Screen mirror realme phone to PC via Miracast Wi-Fi display. Press Win+P to check Miracast support. In Settings, projecting to this PC, set to Available Everywhere. On your realme, enable Wi-Fi, tap Screencast, select your PC, and start mirroring.